Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Future Tuesday. Yay! Wait! Press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the like button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be making a chocolate cottage cheese dip or snack. So if you've been looking for ways to introduce more protein into your little one's diet without necessarily steak, chicken, or fish, this is a really delicious dessert. He's already pretending. He likes it so much he's already eating it. This is a really delicious snack that you can do that with. So it's got very minimal ingredients. It starts off with, of course, cottage cheese. Now you might see in the footage me adding a little salt to my cottage cheese. This happens to be a salt-free cottage cheese.
And I'm eating this already.
You're eating that already. So our ingredients include cottage cheese, sugar-free instant pudding. Sugar-free is very important. This flavor is chocolate. And then Ascent chocolate peanut butter protein. What we did first was we put our cottage cheese into the blender and whipped it up until it was very creamy and smooth. Very simply stirred in our chocolate pudding and our protein. And this is what we get. It's this consistency. So it's no longer the cottage cheese consistency that you're used to. It's a lot smoother. We like this particular recipe to dip strawberries in. Now you can vary this up any way you'd like. This is actually a Dr. Kashi recipe, one of which he put it out there to us with lemon flavors. So if you want to try a different flavor with lemon, instant pudding, sugar-free lemon, and your Ascent lemon flavored, I think it's lemon sorbet flavored Ascent protein. Would you like to try it?
I already did.
Want to try it with the strawberries?
Oh yes, this is a bit of no, it didn't.
Probably should have cut the strawberries. What do you think?
I keep doing it because I love it.
Do you want to get some of the actual dip on it this time?
I can't actually.
Oh my goodness. Let me help you. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is a big bite. You ready? Ah. What do you think? Okay guys, while Logan munches on this delicious snack over here, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the nutrition facts. So this makes about 6 servings. This was 2/3 of this container of cottage cheese and 2/3 of the box of instant pudding and 1 scoop of protein. For that amount, you get about 3 grams of sugar per serving, about 4 carbs, and about 15 grams of protein. And you love it, right?
Oh yeah.
As always, if you like our shirts, this is my Frosty the Swole Man here, you can check those out on WeShallDefend.com. We hope you like this, and we will see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday.
Oh, and definitely make these. These are good.